In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert images to vector in Figma. We're going to turn a raster image like a PNG or JPEG into clean, editable vector shapes using a Figma plugin. This is great for logos, icons, or simple illustrations you want to scale without losing quality. Start by selecting the image on your canvas. Make sure you've clicked the actual image layer, not the frame around it. You'll know it's selected when you see the blue bounding box. If your image is inside a group, double-click until you reach the image layer itself so the plugin knows exactly what to trace. Now look toward the bottom area of Figma and click the Actions icon. This opens up the Quick Actions panel, which is a handy way to get to tools and extensions without leaving your design. If your workspace looks a little different, that's okay. Just focus on that Actions button at the bottom to keep things simple. From there, choose Plugins and Widgets. This is where you can access installed plugins and search for new ones. If you're on a team account with restricted permissions, you might see fewer options here. That's normal. Just use what's available in the Plugins and Widgets section. In the search field that appears, type Image Tracer. You're looking for the plugin specifically designed to convert bitmap images to vectors. As you type, you should see it show up in the results. Typing the exact name helps narrow things down quickly. Click on Image Tracer. The plugin will open and analyze the selected image. Image tracing works best on high-contrast graphics with clear edges, like flat logos or icons. It can still trace complex photos, but expect more nodes and less perfect edges. If the plugin displays options like threshold or smoothing, those control how many shapes and details you get. Higher detail usually means more paths. Smoother settings simplify the shapes. When you're ready, click Place Traced Vector. Figma will insert a new vector version of your image directly onto the canvas. You'll now have editable paths and shapes that you can scale up or down without blurring. Try selecting the new vector and switching to the Node tool to see all the points the trace created. You can adjust fills, strokes, and colors just like any other vector object, and simplify paths later if you want a cleaner result. That's the full process. Select your image, open the Actions panel, go to Plugins and Widgets, search Image Tracer, open it, and place the traced vector. With this workflow, you can quickly convert raster artwork into flexible, professional vector graphics right inside Figma.